If you want to cancel your HBO Max free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly before being charged. Step 1. Sign in. Visit the HBO Max website or open the app and sign into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage subscription. In the account settings, look for the option that says Manage Subscription or Subscription and click on it to view your current plan details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email or notification on the screen. Keep this confirmation for your records to ensure your trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your HBO Max free trial without any hassle.